Bramley Motor Cars again today. I'm here to shoot this video with this McLaren MP4-12C. The car is in Volcano Red, which is on just over 18,000 miles. It's very well spec'd, and I'm really looking forward to driving this. We've been shooting some photos in this stunning location, and we're going to jump in the car in a minute and go for a drive. I hope you enjoy. So I've been out for a drive, and this is a lot of car for the money. It's almost two cars for the money. 109,850 quid gets you a car that you can cruise around in. Yes, you've got that awesome sounding engine in the back, and the noise of it doesn't seem to stop. You've always got that really nice racy V8 twin turbo sound. But you can drive it really carefully. You don't need to worry about throttle position. It's really calm. You can adjust your foot quite a lot on the throttle, and you don't get huge amounts of jerkiness. At the most comfortable settings, it is a very, very drivable car. It's not daunting. You see the colour, you see the doors, you see how the car looks when you walk up to it, and you get very daunted by it. As soon as you get in here and the car kind of shrinks around you, you realise how small it is and how drivable it is on an everyday basis. However, a couple of switches of the centre console, and this turns into an animal. You get the revs up to 4,000 or 5,000 RPM, and it takes off like an absolute rocket. Just over 600 horsepower, and it is a real animal. Absolutely stunning. I'm thrilled by it. So having had a good drive of this, I thought I'd show you around the car. This Volcano Red is absolutely stunning. I think it's my favourite McLaren colour. What sets it off is also these spacer or space fabric inlays in the seats, also in the doors, the red stitching to match. This one's got Meridian sound system, which I think is essential, to be honest. And doesn't look dated at all. Leather steering wheel, personal preference would be Alcantara, but I think this one still looks really, really good. Interior immaculate, and nice bit of carbon here on the air intake. It's really, really good. I just absolutely love it. Really, really nice car. I love the back end. I prefer this back end to the 570 actually. It looks a lot more aggressive as far as I'm concerned. And it has got so many looks wherever we've gone today.
I can find you.
great day today at Bramley, driving the MP4. Be sure to check out more videos. Before to check out Bramley stock. They've got some cracking cars in here. See a few of them behind me now. And I'll see you again soon. Cheers guys.